Hey everyone, we've been hanging out at the Lone Star Throwdown and we ran into Cade's 2017 Ford F250. Cade, why don't you tell us a little bit about your truck?
It's a BDS 8-inch Fox coilover lift, 4-link front, track in the back. I mean, it's their biggest, baddest kit. It has 26 by 14 JTX forged wheels sitting on 38 1550 Fury tires.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about some of your accessories?
Bodyguard bumpers. I got a wet sound bar in it. I got overfab kill grill, Gen Y hitch in the back. This truck gets used every day.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you, like, what do you do for it? Is this your daily driver?
Yeah, this is my daily driver. I haul my landscape equipment with it every day. Like, this is probably one of the smoothest riding. I mean, it's a big truck, but it's smooth riding. I couldn't be more pleased. I mean, I pull every day with it. Mowers, tractors, everything. Like, the only thing I can't put in there yet is a gooseneck. I gotta make that happen. And it has the recoil bars that makes it really stable when it's pulling.
So with all these companies out on the market, why did you choose BDS suspension?
Y'all have been around forever, and everybody knows who BDS is, and so why not run with quality? I mean, that's the reason I got it. I've known BDS since I was in high school, so it's like, I've always wanted a BDS lift, so why not get one? And that's what I did.
That's awesome.
And I had to get the biggest and baddest one y'all had, so it made it worth all my while. So
if y'all want to check out this kit and learn some more information on it, head to our website, bds-suspension.com.